They stopped at the entrance of the east gate of the Lord's house, and the glory of the God of Israel was above them. Then the cherubim with the wheels beside them spread their wings, and the glory of the God of Israel was above them. The glory of the Lord went up from within the city and stopped above the mountain east of it. This is the word of the Lord.
Oh, friends, good morning. It's good to be with you today in worship. And for those of you new to UPC, we're just wild about the fact that you took the step of faith and courage to check out our church community. We hope this is a welcome home for you to be a part of this church, this place, this family, and excited about where we're headed in the final weeks of Lent, this period of time in the church where we travel with Jesus towards Easter morning. And I'm going to invite you to join with me in our reading today. It's going to be Mark chapter 13. If you have your Bible with you, will you open to that passage?